Hello, welcome to watch this video. Today I'm going to show you how to record web radio sounds quickly and easily. First, download free online radio player recorder by clicking the link, then, install and open free online radio player recorder. It's completely free to use. Step 1. Active schedule. Step 2. Schedule date. Step 3. Schedule date. Free online radio player recorder can record streaming audio, web radio, webcasts, music, convert LPs, records, tapes. This software is free, safe and easy. To get more information and help, please visit coolfreestudio.com. Thank you for watching this video.